If you want to make your ads more attractive and improve click-through rates, adding images to your campaigns in Google Ads is a powerful step. And in this tutorial, you will learn exactly how to do it from scratch, even if you are a complete beginner. Images help your ads stand out, grab attention, and communicate your message faster than text alone. First, log into your Google Ads account and go to the main dashboard. From there, choose the campaign where you want to add images. Keep in mind that image assets are mainly used in certain campaign types, like Performance Max, Display, and as image extensions in search campaigns. Start by selecting your campaign. Then go to the Assets section from the left-hand menu. This is where you manage all extensions and visual elements. Click on the plus icon and choose Image. Now you will see options to upload images from your computer, select from your website, or use stock images provided by Google. If you are uploading your own images, make sure they are high quality and follow Google's recommended sizes and formats. Common formats include JPG and PNG, and images should be clear, relevant, and visually appealing. After uploading, you may be asked to crop your images into different aspect ratios, such as square and landscape. This ensures your ads look good across different placements and devices. Take your time to adjust the cropping properly so that important parts of the image are not cut off. Once done, click Save, and your images will be added to the asset library. Next, attach these images to your campaign or ad group. Select the images you uploaded and assign them to the desired campaign. If you are using Performance Max, images are a required part of the setup, so make sure you add multiple variations to improve performance. For search campaigns, image assets can appear alongside your text ads, making them more engaging. Another important tip is to use images that match your brand and message. Avoid using too much text inside images, and make sure they comply with Google Ads policies. Poor quality or irrelevant images can reduce performance, or even get disapproved. Also, test multiple images to see which ones perform better over time. In simple terms, adding images to Google Ads campaigns involves uploading high-quality visuals, adjusting them to the correct sizes, and attaching them to your campaign for better visibility and engagement. This can significantly improve how your ads perform and attract more users. If you found this tutorial helpful, keep following for more beginner-friendly guides that help you create better ads and grow your results step by step.